Panda Express Kung Pao Chicken is one of my favorite entrees, but these days, getting takeout can really add up. Today, we're going to make this iconic dish at home from scratch, for a fraction of the cost. Not only will this save you money, but it tastes just like eating out. Whether you've made Kung Pao Chicken before or not, this recipe is for you. Let's get cooking. Chop 1 bunch of green onions. Dice 1 red bell pepper. Dice 1 zucchini. And chop up about 6 garlic cloves. For our Kung Pao sauce, mix together 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of chicken stock, 1 tablespoon of Chinese black vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and mix. Cut 4 boneless, skinless chicken thighs into about 1-inch pieces. Feel free to scale this recipe as well if you want to make more. On a wok set to high heat, add some neutral oil, add our garlic, add some peanuts, then our chicken. Toss a little, add a handful of whole dried chili peppers, toss it some more, and some more, until the meat is fully cooked and set aside. Add our green onions, then the rest of the veggies, and add some more peanuts as well. After about 60 seconds, add back the chicken. Finally, give the sauce a quick stir and add it in. It'll thicken, so make sure to toss everything together to get a nice coating of the Kung Pao sauce. Look how good that looks, just like Panda Express. This Kung Pao chicken has a nice balance of veggies, spicy, and protein. Served with some rice, and this dish makes for a fantastic lunch or dinner. And boom, we have Panda Express Kung Pao Chicken. Let me know down in the comments below which one you think looks better. And the best part is, even after all this, we save some money while enjoying a delicious meal. So whether you've made Kung Pao Chicken before, or if this is your first time, be sure to add this recipe to your week's meal plan. If you enjoyed, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.